All right, I'm live. Yes, sir. Hey, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, live from the Mojo Show right here. Going to do a swing trading newsletter update for my subscribers. I didn't send out a newsletter on Sunday, but however, so many stocks moved from the week before, and the week before I'm going to go over those. Trading is done for the day. Even though I'd like to do another trade today, I can call it out in the room. Long NQ. Let's go. MNQ right here at 46.65 plus. Let's go. Knock, that thing's going to drop, guys. Go ahead, do that trade. Mojo's going to fly over to the room, show you exactly what we got going on today, and then do the swing trade newsletter update. All right, guys, this is the Mojo chat room from this morning. We really did amazing today. Jupiter Wellness is at 155, 160 right now. Thank you for that, Mojo. Yes, sir. We know where it's coming from. Trading SQQ like a banshee to go under 47.50 with the big size. It sure did. Went to 45. Mojo 336 copy trading on the day. This is my third account, which is Tick Tick Trader. So I started up here on my fourth account. This is yesterday. So let's go to this morning. And if you want to recap, I was live this morning. So Larson did amazing. He made over $1,000 today from that 100. These are my current swings, which we're going to go over today on the show. So I did fourth trade right there, 175, seventh trade, eighth trade, ninth trade, I lost $2, my only loser from 264 to 262. 10th trade, 11th trade, 12th trade, 13th trade, 14th, 15th, 16th trade done for account one. Then I did account number 2 right here. He's done for the day, Larson at 312, but he kept on going. Third account now, Tick Tick Trader. 2 accounts done for the morning right there for him. So yeah, we did really well. Mojo finished it out at 630 on the day. Finished out the last couple of trades right here at 505 to 535 to 560 to 580 to 594 to 630. So my average sweet spot, $20 to $30 per trade. It's a lot easier to make $20 or $30 than it is bigger stretches, because they just come to you. The money just flows down. You just take it. I like the sound of that too. So let's pull over my screen right here, and I'll show you.
Did you get my screenshot? I also had $1,000 day, Mike.
Oh,
Josh.
yeah, Josh had $1,000 day in the room. Yes,
And I just actually opened up another account, made another $1,000 roll.
There he is, right there, $1,000, Josh.
Yes,
Real money account for the day, guys. Anybody can be doing it. So let me show you right here my swing trading newsletter, and we get that going on. All right, I don't want to look at the market anymore. I'm going to shut off my Dash Trader and my Ninja, if you don't mind. So I could make money now, but I just don't want to. All right, so I'm going to pull this over right here. We're going to head over to screen number 1. I'm going to turn on the Dash Trader just so I could see where my swings are, okay? Not to look at SQQ and do any trading. These were the stocks I had today. Amazon, high in 96.97 from 95.26. JUPW went as high as 164. Mullen went as high as 33 from 29. And Tesla, that did really good earlier, from 182 went to 186. And JUPW is a swing pick, so I'm holding that one. The other ones were day trades. So let's start out right here with the swing trade newsletter from 9/18. 3 picks left in that newsletter. LCI, first one on the list at 46 cents, is right here. So LCI is 50 cents. And notice when the markets are down, guys, in the newsletter that are members and going to watch this video tonight, that our stocks really don't have a lot of selling pressure when the markets are red. When the markets are green and firm, they go up pretty dramatically. So that's a great, great thing. So let's go over the picks. LCI right here traded 65,000 shares. Nothing big. Traded big volume on this day, which was 9/16. It went from 43 to 63. And I picked it on 9/18 newsletter. So this was 2 days, right? 2 days early. That's why I probably noticed that something's going on with LCI, Lynette Company. This was a stock in the past that I traded up to like $20 a share. It's at $1.80, but this stock used to be a $20 stock. And if you look right here at this nice weekly base, looking pretty solid, low downside, high upside to fill in this gap right here on LCI. The next one was DGLY, down 4.88%. Picked at 41 is 39-cent high today, low 35. DGLY. That's right here. They make cameras for cops, the cameras like on the wearables and the GoPro, those kind of things. This stock traded 186. It's down here at the bottom. This is what I like right here. This is the pattern I like. I don't like the 52-week highs. I like the 52-week low bottom bouncers that have restructured. Shares are tightening up, looking hot to trot. Let's look at the daily. Let me move this one over here. A little bit bigger on my chart. I don't have to keep that always on top. And this is annoying the pants off of me. My trade signal. I'll put that down below too. And we don't need JUPW up there. So now I can have a bigger chart. Nice. See that? Beautiful. And we have today's date up there. 11/17. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Look at that chart. So that's DGLY. The next one is IMTE from the 9/18 newsletter. That's 2 months ago. Still got it, down 5.88%. Hasn't made its move yet. It was at 68 cents today. This is the Google Drive. I put the link in the description below and in the YouTube so you guys can have access to this Google Drive. Yes, indeed. When I make changes to it, you go into here, Tools, and then go into notification settings and edit your notifications. At any time there's an edit to the sheet, you'll get an email notification. But that's after the fact, because I always update it after the newsletters are out. So if you really want the newsletter, it's $149 a month. That's the subscription. However, I got a special link in the description below, saving you $100 a month, $49. It's the only place you'll find the link. It's the only place someone can get the newsletter that I'm going over now for $49. Yes, indeed. And here's the newsletter. Ken Slim Picks by Mojo. I'll go over everything, how it all works, in the weekly newsletter, trading education. Yes, indeed. Okay. So the 10/11 newsletter had 3 picks. One of them already got taken out, which was ADTX. At 290, I lost 20%. At 230 is now $1.69. So that one was a loser. Black box stocks. 55 cents is down 18% at 45 cents. BLBX. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's up a little today. Oh, it's back at like 50 cents. See, it's a little bottom bouncer right here. Got some nice support at the bottom of that green bar, which is 45 cents. This is my accumulation here to fill in this gap on the upside. BLBX. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, the stock was $5.50 right there. Look how nice it looks right here, guys. And it's got some good growth. That's BLBX, black box. Let me show you the next one. Is EZFL, Easy Fill Holdings, EZFL, right here. Also, this is the weekly. Got some nice support right here on this dotted line. I think that's what is that, VWAP? Is that VWAP? No, it's where it closed earlier. I don't know what that line is. I think that's that line. Let me go to the daily. So here's the daily. This thing's right here at the bottom, bros. 50 cents right off the bottom of this bar, 49 cents. See it? I wanted to go back over this, 72 and 72. If it does that, should go test 97 into $1, and it's at half that mark right now. So that's easy fill. And then NBY just did a stock split, a 35-for-1 reverse split. NBY, Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals, right here. Also, look at this is for the 35 split. It went to even yesterday. 35 cents. I think that was it. Let me take a look. We had it at, it was something before 240. So 240 divided by 35. Is 7 cents. I think it was higher than that. Had to be something like that. Anyway, this one just did a huge reverse split. It's down 11%. No big deal. Those are normal fluctuations. It goes over 20%, you sell it. That's it. Move on to the next one. Like Reed's right here. I saw it go by the high-low list this morning at 12. Now it's indicating 10, so we'll see what it does by the end of the day. But I like Reed's. Reed's is another bottom bouncer, dude. Look at Reed. Right down here, see? I like it on these little red bars. Now I think it's going to curl back up and go test the top of these right here. 14 cents, 14.7, 14.7, 15, 15, 15, 15. It goes through that 15. Forget about it, dude. This thing will make a green bar right up to this 23 up here. Huge move up. So I like this stock, Reed, REED. The selling's done. They have some good growth. Absolutely. Let me show you the next one. That was from the 1017. Here's another one from the 1017. It's up 22% at Heinz today. PRQR. That's right here. So that one did a big, see, I told you this is how they go. When they move, they move. See, this one's moving. That's what they do. See that, guys? And I'm live on YouTube in the Mojo Room if you guys didn't know. So I got a breakout happening on PRQR in the ProQR Therapeutics, up 22%. I got CTM right here. CTM, what's that one? That's here at 73 cents. Also, again, look, bottom bouncer across the bottom of that, 72 cents. It's at 74. They're all the same pattern, ready to rock it up, just like this one just did. See? Which was PRQR. They're all going to do that. Telling you, watch my little stockies. So this is the complete update. Memo, I had a lot from 1017, a lot of small ones. Memo at 245 is 208. That's in the sell range. To get the hell out of that. The hell is Memo? Airspan Networks, and it's at the bottom. Look. So if I come here and I come to my horizontal line and I stick it right there, look, 208 right at the bottom, dudes. Going to make a little V back up to test the top of 339, 319, 287, and these two at 245. Let's go. MIMO. I like it. I might add some MIMO down here, dudes, and reduce my cost basis to 240 or 235 and buy some more. Add on the dipstone. I like MIMO. Bring that to 235. Power Fleet at 255 was red. Look, now it's green. Maybe the start of its move. It's up 4%. Tomorrow it could be up 40%. Power Fleet, PWFL. Let's take a look. It's 262 now. See? It went up the other day to 307. Came all the way back down to 244. I think it was sold on 11/14. It was sold at 305. On 11/14, it was sold at 305. See this Power Fleet? Look, when you have an order in, when you start the day, it's at 255. Put an order in for 305. Watch what happens. $1.55, 05, 55, 55. Look at the month before. Everything is the same. 05, 05, 05, 05, 55, 55. See? Selling. Look. 05, 55, 05, 55, 55, 05, 55, 05, 55, 05, 05, 55. You think those numbers are significant? You better ask somebody they are. $1.55, $5, 59%, 29%, 25%, 21%. Did 24 trades, 17 wins, 71%, 51.52 average gain. Let's skip a couple of months. I'll show you like May of last year. 18 out of 7. Not a good month. Average trade 9. I lost on a bunch of stocks. And because they're all at 4%, I could tell you what happened. The market was crashing. Mojo said, listen, let's sell everything, get into cash. Let's look at the next month, June, because we did that. Used all the cash. Went 32 out of 32 the next month, 100%. Look at this. 05, 05, 05, 55, 55, 05, 05, 05, 05, 55, 05, 55, 05. Been doing that 05, 55 sell for years, dude. Let's skip May of 2020. Skip a year earlier. Did 81 trades, 74 correct, 91% average gain, 45%. 05, 55, 05, 05. That's how it works, guys. It's the master sheet right here. So let's jump back to November. So that one's gone at 55. $305. 19.61%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 6 correct. 6 wins. 86%. Goes to line 45. So right here, I'll show you. Do the formula. Come up to here. You highlight those. You come up to here. You go average. Enter. 37%. 37% average. Average hold. 13 days. This one from $1.55. Really is 38 cents. $1.05, $1.20, 55.19, 255, $2, 25.16, 305, 263. REVB, stick it in for 55 cents. OBLG, stick it in for 55 cents. DAIO, stick it in for 455, 505, and 555. 3 sells. Yes, sir. That's how it's done. Get ready every day. So REVB at 23 cents. Look at this one. Ready to jump. Ready to jump. Look at this day. It traded 71 million shares and went up 100%. Ready to go again. Fill up a lot of space up here. Let's look at the weekly. Oh yeah, this stock was $11.50. $11 up there. In one day, it moved from 5 to 3 in one day. You don't think it can go back up big in one day? It sure damn can. The hell stock was that? That was unbelievable. REVB, holy crap, $11. It's 23 cents. And it's got great earnings, dude. Look, it's from the 10:30 newsletter. Let me show you. Here's the 10:30 newsletter. Halloween special. REVB right here. They look at this growth. They're going to go from $1.03 lose in 2021. Then they're going to lose 66 cents. It's 100% almost increase. They're going to go from 66 to 37. It's another 100% increase. Analysts, see those two green arrows right there where my mouse is? They've increased estimates for the next 2 years. So I know the earnings coming out here and the next quarter and the next quarter and the next quarter and the next 4 quarters after that are going to crush. Stock's going to go back to $11. Hey, if it goes to freaking $1, that's a 300% move. It's got 23 million in the float, 19% owned by mutual funds. Stock's going to be a rocket ship, boys and girls. Look at OBLG. Increase estimates next year going from 45-cent loss to 26 cents. 100% increase. They're going to blow through that 53 cents right there. Look at AGLE at 92. Increase estimates for 2 years going from a loss of $1.14 to 79 cents. It's huge. It's huge, dude. Smart money's coming in. Stock used to be $12. It's 92 cents. Look at this one. Smart Sand, SND, going from a loss of $1 to a loss of 8 cents to making 12 cents. Dude, that's humongous growth. Look at the last quarters, 132%, 52%, 38%, and 47%. Increase estimates the next 2 years on a float of 45 million and 23% owned by mutual funds right there. This thing's a Ken Slim gem. It already went from 223 where I picked it, SND. Look where it went. Dude, the stock went from here to 264, came down a little, but it's ready to rock over this 255 again. 255. It's going to crush that 264 and head up to $5. Yes, sir. SND. I sold it at 255. Look at that. I want to get back in on that sucker, so I'm going to put that back in right here, dude. Mojo. So you guys see this? I'm going to stick that sand back in, dude. Today's 11/17. Sand that right now. Sand's at $2.01. 2 beans. Bid for it. Boom. Look at that. Now I'm going to have 16 and 4. Yes, indeed. Sand's 201. Even on it. Love it. Smart Sand back in. Look at this one. Sciata Mobile went from 14 to 26 2 mornings ago. Where's that one on my list? New row. Must have gotten deleted. SYTA. Sciata. I'm getting back in on this one. This was 26 in the pre-market 2 days ago. It's at 16. Rebuy this one too. Look. Ching, ching. Insert below. Sciata Mobile. Had it at 14 to 26. It's back to 16. Do it again. Nothing's changed. Growing like a champ. Sciata Mobile, 11/17. Done. And Power Fleet out today, 305. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Let's take a blind shot and scroll back. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Pick a month, October of 2019, went 15 out of 13. 87% average gain, 29. The biggest one was right here, Vive, from 350 to 1050. And Broad Vision from 250 to 305. Look, 205, 105, 305, 305, 805. That was years ago, bro. Let's go 2 clicks forward. 1, 2. March of 2021. 13 out of 13, average gain 30%. Biggest win was Cascade right here. CSCW. They were a little internet company. Had BGI for 54% and SQQ and UV for 22. The market was in a correction that month. April, the next month, 13 out of 9. Biggest one was 38% on Globus Marine. Probably played tops with that one also. Let's click 3 this way. December of Christmas of 2018, I was 6 for 6. I did Bitcoin, GBTC at $4. Dude, look, GBTC, $4. That's Bitcoin. Better ask somebody how good that was. That was a 6 for 6. Let's go 2 months back of that. Let's go March of 2018. 8 out of 12. Biggest win. I had a 50% loser on. Oh, look, we were trying to do Citadel with the blockchain with Bitcoin. It went down 50%. We took a flyer on this 000 stock. I remember that. That was Bitcoin times. February of 2018. 7 for 7, 100% wins, 33% average. Acre Biosciences. Remember that, Mr. Acre, in the chat room? Bob Acre, my man. And XTD, they do fingerprint technology. Look, Top Ships, 20 cents to 23. Let's go June of 2017. Big year. 30 trades, 28 wins, 93%, average gain 68. AVEO 177%. Went from 74 to $1.75, sold the last at 205. Sick. Look at these. 1100% on DCTH from 2 cents to 24 cents position closed. See, I would close half of it, 3/4 of it, then all of it. I tell you, sell 3 times. So cool, right? Look, 405, 425, 450, selling every 25 cents. Look, 405, 425, 450. Beautiful. 200% on DCTH right here. BTSC, that's Bitcoin Services, 100% and 200%. That was cool. Let's scroll. November of 2016. 94 trades, 93 correct, 99% accurate, 23% average gain, average hold 7 days. Ying Green Energy, beautiful stock. Look at this one. Up 144%. Entromedics at 5 cents to 7, 9, 11. LABD 14, 15, and 16.50 sold. Look at that. This one up 218 from 11 cents to 35 cents, from 18 cents to 32 cents. Look at that. That's awesome. Up 455% on medical marijuana, MGNA. Remember those days, guys? And Grow Life, they do the machines that the Photron machines called like Photronics. That was the stock called Photronics, and then they changed their name to Grow Life. How cool is that? Look, I'm shorting Facebook at 128 from 131. How cool is that? The market must have been going down because I'm in UVXY again from 15 to 18 to 19. I'm doing natural gas, UGAS. I'm doing the gold miners nugget right there. Markets are in bad shape during that month. I could see by what I'm trading. Plug Power, one of my big winners of all time. Absolutely. I love these old looks. Let's go to July of 2015. We got hemp stocks now. No, I thought that was hemp. Nugget, oil, Trading a lot of nugget, a lot of gold miners, a lot of gold. Trading a lot of nugget in that month. Wow. Used to trade a lot of gold back then. Let's go to June of 2014. MGNA again, medical marijuana, 13%. Newell, I remember that stock, 68 cents to over $1, 75% gain on that one. 51 out of 44. Here's GoPro at 31 bucks. Dude, GoPro's nothing right now. I'm trading GoPro at 30 bucks. It's 5. Back here, the weekly is 11. Dude, that was when it was like, hot IPO time. GoPro, 31 bucks. That's crazy. Any other ones I read? Aria Pharmaceuticals. Let's go December of 2012. My first newsletter I ever sent out. 194 shares of Facebook at 25. You know where Facebook went. I picked AMD at $2.32. You know what AMD is right now, right? So if you would have been with me from the beginning, you'd still be with me now. You'd still be with me now, as the others are, if you were with me in the beginning. AMD weekly is $155. It's at 73 right now. My first newsletter, AMD, at $2.32. Yes, sir, Mojo. And that's my newsletter, Ken Slim Power, over the last 12 years. And I have every single month after month after month after month, and a master sheet that you can look at right here, guys. All the picks are right there. And if you want the newsletter, it's in the archives, totally available. All the blues are wins, all the reds are losers. All the yellows are covered calls. Look at this. It goes blue for a long time. Watch. Here it is. Watch this. Let's go from line 1848 Novax at 125, $1.25 on NVAX. NVAX right now is $21. NVAX was $145. I gave it to you at $1.25 on 7/8 of 2017. It went to 155. So from right here, from line 1930, I'll take these reds. Here we go. From this one, one red from line 1850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's break even. 10. So 10 from 1550. 300 swing picks I lost on 10. And the ones I lose on are small. 5%, 30%, 23, 17, 26. Look at all the wins. 300, 200, 215, 74, 309, 400, 462. Glow Point, Bitcoin Services, Digital Turbine, Dry Ships, Capstone Turbine, Ocean Power, OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies. They make the buoys that generate like electricity in the oceans and stuff, dude. You remember that stock? I think they got bought out. Ocean Power Tech, there they are. Ocean Power Technologies, dudes. Right there. I like this company. Look, they make the buoys that ride into the ocean, energizing ocean intelligence, see? Awarded a contract with Homeland Security on maritime domain of sensors. See that? Ocean power technologies, dude, monitoring the oceans, getting, real good stuff. Glue Mobile, Rite Aid, RADD, which I'm still trading today at $6. Look at that, $2.55, guys, on Rite Aid. Gevo at 65 cents. Shows you what the prices are, $2.24. Rite Aid, $6.24. Let's see any big ones here. NVAX from $1 is 20. AVIR at 54 is 460. This one, NVAX again, from 1 to 20. Here's Trevana, pretty much the same price. LABD from 9 is 20 now. The CCUR went from 6 to 5,000. Cool. Plug Power, here's Plug at $1, is 16. Real Good Solar, remember that stock? The solars? Yeah, boys. Bringing back memories looking at these things. WPCS, I remember that one. Strataskin, another big winner. It's at 88 cents nowadays. Bioc. Santander. Traded Santander. Here's 2016. So yeah, man, look at all these wins. Big, big win. Here's another set of wins from 23.95 to 22.70. One loser. One. Look at all these wins. You guys, 500% on you guys. That's a covered call. How could I do covered call? That's not right. That's wrong. Real Networks. Plug Power at $1. Shopify right here at 44. It's 37. Gene at $1.60. Made 40% on Gene. Here's Twitter at 23 bucks. I loved it at 17, man. I love Twitter at 17. I loved Zynga down there at $2 too. Remember Sun Edison at a nickel, dude? They went out of business. Got crushed on Sun Edison. EVOC, $2. Remember EVOC? Time is at 3:55. I got 5 more minutes till the close. Thank goodness. And I have SQQ. Thank goodness. Cara, remember that stock? They do like therapeutics with cannabis. They were like one of the first ones and stuff. Rocket Fuel, 234. Hudson Technologies, Blonder Tongue. This one, Repros from 2 is 42 bucks. RPRX went from 2 to 42. Amazing. Wriggle, DGAS, Digital Power from 72 cents is $38. This is when I was doing all the blockchains. Digital Power, Riot Blockchain. Here's Glue at 270. Myos Ren. Remember Myos Ren? Naviosac. CLNE, Broadwind Energy. Oh, so many famous stocks, man. We traded so many famous ones. Gevo 5% trigger. After 5%, it went 51.25, 51% after 5. This one went 2% trigger, only went up a little bit. But we were doing triggers back then. It would only trigger if it only went up 5. If it went up 5%, it would trigger. Look at all these wins. Crazy. STEM. Oh, here's Seed at $1.90. It's $10 stock. Sun Edison, look, $1.60. Got crushed in Sun. At some point, I made money there on it, though. Sun Edison again. Cool, man. Let's see where we're at. And we're still open. Relog in. We're at $46. We came way down and we stopped. We stopped around there, which was the 46.01. Yeah, of course it went under. Stopped right here is the bottom for 92. Where'd this go to 85? Dow's down 50. NASI's down 51. They're both down the same. They were down a lot more earlier. A lot more earlier. So that's my update, dudes. That's my update, man. Oh, and Jupiter Wireless came back down. Definitely pick up some of this on the dip. And here's the rad. I like this one. Catch this on any dips. I kind of like AMC here too. Solars are doing good. SPWR right now. Solars are trending higher. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, looking good on the solar stocks to go above that line right there, heading up higher. What's another solar is Sundial. Here, 5.2% at 272 looks pretty good to go over 284 heading into 3. Sundial, SNDL, has a big history of going big. Sundial, SNDL. Another solar stock is SOL. Here at under $5 at 490 looks pretty good too. All right, guys, let me do my last change here. We got Power Fleet at 280, looking good. This one's $1.10 now on my PRQR. Data.io, now it's $3.99 bid by 413. That one's going higher. Data.io, only traded 18,000. IMBI looking good. DG looking good. All of them are looking good. So thanks for the update. Check it out Sunday for the next newsletter to come out with stocks. And peace! Keep it profitable. And do the right thing. Join the Mojo newsletter. You'll get these picks for years to come. You'll be an OG subscriber, and you'll know the best small cap picks on the planet come from me first. Yes, sir. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you later. Peace.